Hi guys, this is a list of 150 high frequency quant questions. So these are all the questions which have come in the CAT exam multiple times. मतलब दो तीन बार same question in a different format have come multiple times. So this is the list here with you. So you can please download all these questions here. So for all the topics which are coming in the CAT exam. So this will give an idea about what kind of questions come in the CAT exam. Yeah, you will know the syllabus, you will know the type of questions. So at least इतना तो करो पहले यार. Especially the topic which you're trying to leave. Do at least these questions first. So algebra, arithmetic, geometry, modern maths, numbers, PNC probability and their solution. So all the topics I've covered here, which are total 150 plus questions are there. So this is kind of a must do questions. ठीक है, जो especially modern maths and arithmetic are the two main thing which you have to focus on. Okay, so that we can score more marks in the CAT exam. ठीक है, so ctking.com/quant150 is the link where you have to go and you can download all these PDF. इनको सामने रखो, रट्टा मार लो यार ये क्वेश्चन का. Okay, and this will also help us in the master class as well because they're going to launch a master class soon. So in our master class, so you have joined any program, you are eligible for that. So this is the syllabus for all the topics. So modern maths, if I talk about 10 questions are going to be there in the earlier pattern. Yeah, coordinate geometry, modulus, functions, trigonometry, every topic I'm assuming one question from each area. Total 10 questions were there. Now it might be 8 or 7 depending on how many questions will come. Same from arithmetic, percentages, ratio, mixture, all the topic 10 question. Maybe with the new paper pattern it might be 8. And then geometry, numbers and PNC probability. This is the complete scope. Okay, so these must do questions are the questions you should be doing first. Okay, so go to the link ctking.com/quant150 and you can download these PDF questions. Guys, at CETking we are starting with the masterclass workshops in the month of October. See, October is the most important month for your CAT preparation. November people will lose their heart, it's too late. September, August people are not serious. So this is the main month where I wanted to focus on. So every week we are going to conduct one workshop which will basically covering up everything right from your syllabus, strategy, attempts and mock preparation. Yeah, so I'm calling them masterclass. So every year we do that in the month of October. So you have joined us for any program, you joined us for the books, you joined us for the mocks, you joined us for the complete classroom program, all of you are entitled for these 4 workshops. So in case you want to join us, you can join us for any of these programs and you'll be entitled for the workshops. Yeah, so that will cover up your syllabus, strategy, attempts and mock prep. So what we'll do, it's like a complete sectional test I'm taking. We are going to do a dress rehearsal of what is going to happen on November end. Yeah, so for that you have to register here. Go to ctking.com/CAT. On top you will see the register now link. Just give your name, email ID and city. The moment you submit, you will get the details for the workshop with the login ID and password. Yeah, and OTP confirmation आएगा. Obviously you have to confirm your exact phone number. So you will get the registration detail for all the 4 workshops. ठीक है, this workshop is basically the complete test rehearsal. तुम्हें पता लग जाएगा कि क्या करना है in the last 30-40 days for that particular subject. So syllabus, strategy, attempt and mock preparation. October 7, 13, 21 and 28 are the 4 dates which we have selected for the workshops. Fine. So there will be a test. I'll be taking a small test plus your strategy plus your all these things are going to be covered here. So 4 workshops are going to be there in case you want to join with shortcuts. 7th is logic. So we'll give it will be a test come the complete strategy. So you can do some homework before you come for the workshop. If you can do that, if you can prepare something, will be great. Otherwise fine, you don't need to do that. इसका logic का पूरा cut offs, पूरा strategy, planning, everything be done. So 7th of October तुम्हें पूरा पता चल गया कि अभी मुझे करना क्या है. Fine. The moment you see a new type of question, you can tell whether that is right or wrong. With these kind of questions are going to come in the exam or not. 13th is verbal, then 21st is DI logic on 21st, and then last will be the quant workshop on 28th. How to improve my score, how to focus on that, what to do, what not to do. These 4 workshops will cover up everything, whatever you need to know. Alright, so which will be enough for my preparation. Yeah, so this October let's start with that. Let's do it. Let's get the IM call. तो मैं कट ऑफ क्लियर करनी भाई, मेरे को बस कट ऑफ दिखा. In case you want to join, you can call us on any of these numbers given here in the description box. So my team will be more than happy to help you out with this workshops. Otherwise, directly register on the link and you will get the links. All the best.